Welcome to our channel where we explore the most fascinating and sometimes terrifying topics in the universe. Today, we're going to talk about 7 things that could potentially destroy our planet. Let's get started. Imagine a silent, dark void of space punctuated by a celestial wanderer, an asteroid hurtling towards Earth at unimaginable speeds. The dinosaurs were wiped out by such a cosmic bullseye. The Chicxulub impact unleashed an energy equivalent to billions of atomic bombs, forever changing the course of life on Earth. If an asteroid of similar size were to strike our planet today, the consequences would be apocalyptic. The impact would eject billions of tons of dust and debris into the atmosphere, shrouding our planet in darkness. Thankfully, scientists are constantly scanning the skies, watching for any potential threats. And if we ever do spot an asteroid on a collision course with Earth, we're developing technologies that might one day be able to deflect. Deep beneath our feet, a silent, slumbering giant stirs. A supervolcano, capable of unleashing unimaginable fury, with the potential to reshape entire landscapes in an instant. Imagine an eruption thousands of times more powerful than any eruption in recorded history, spewing forth billions of tons of molten rock, ash, and toxic gases into the atmosphere, creating a scene of apocalyptic destruction. The immediate impact would be devastating, burying vast areas in volcanic debris and unleashing pyroclastic flows that move at incredible speeds. The massive amount of sulfur dioxide released into the atmosphere would form a global haze, reflecting sunlight back into space and causing a dramatic drop in global temperatures, a phenomenon known as a volcanic winter. This volcanic winter could last for decades, disrupting agriculture and leading to widespread famine, as crops fail and food supplies dwindle. While the exact timing of a supervolcanic eruption is difficult to predict, scientists believe that such events occur on a timescale of tens of thousands of years, making them rare but inevitable. Understanding the risks and preparing for the potential consequences is crucial for the survival of our species, ensuring that we are ready to face such a catastrophe. In the vast expanse of space, some of the most cataclysmic events imaginable unfold with terrifying regularity: gamma-ray bursts. These bursts are brief, intense flashes of gamma rays, the most energetic form of light in the universe. Imagine a dying star, collapsing under its own gravity, its core imploding to form a black hole. In that moment of cosmic death, a jet of energy erupts from the poles of the collapsing star, traveling across the universe at nearly the speed of light. If one of these gamma-ray bursts were to strike Earth, the consequences would be catastrophic. The gamma rays would rip through our atmosphere, stripping away the ozone layer that protects us from harmful ultraviolet radiation. Fortunately, gamma-ray bursts are relatively rare events, and the chances of one. This is not a tale of a distant cosmic threat, but of a danger unfolding right here, right now: climate change. It's a gradual, insidious threat, but one with the potential to unravel the delicate web of life on Earth. Rising temperatures fueled by our own actions are melting glaciers and ice caps, causing sea levels to rise and threatening coastal communities. Extreme weather events, hurricanes, droughts, floods, are becoming more frequent and intense, displacing communities and straining global resources. As temperatures rise, ecosystems are thrown out of balance. Coral reefs, vital nurseries for marine life, are bleaching and dying. Forests, the lungs of our planet, are succumbing to drought and wildfires. By transitioning to clean energy sources and embracing sustainable practices, we can still avert the worst-case scenarios. But the time to act. In the realm of science fiction, artificial intelligence often takes on a sinister role, a force that rises up to challenge humanity's dominance. But what if this fictional scenario were to become our reality? Imagine a world where machines have surpassed human intelligence, where algorithms dictate our lives. As we develop increasingly sophisticated AI systems, we run the risk of creating something that surpasses our ability to understand and control. Imagine an AI system designed to optimize for efficiency, deciding that humans are the biggest obstacle to its goals. While the threat of an AI takeover may seem like the stuff of dystopian fiction, it highlights the importance of ethical considerations in the development of artificial intelligence. As we venture into this uncharted territory, we must proceed with caution. In the interconnected world we live in, a single microscopic entity can spark a global crisis, a pandemic. These tiny organisms, invisible to the naked eye, can bring entire nations to their knees. Imagine a highly contagious and deadly virus spreading silently through populations, its true nature masked by its invisible threat. It moves swiftly, exploiting our social connections and travel networks. Hospitals overflow with the sick and dying, healthcare systems buckle under the strain, and fear grips entire nations. The frontline workers, our heroes, battle tirelessly against an unseen enemy. The world grinds to a halt as borders close, economies falter, and the fabric of society begins to fray. Daily life is disrupted and uncertainty becomes the new normal. Throughout history, infectious diseases have ravaged civilizations, leaving behind a trail of death and devastation. The Spanish flu, the Black Death, and many others have shown us the destructive power of pandemics. The COVID-19 pandemic served as a stark reminder of our vulnerability to infectious diseases and the importance of global cooperation in combating these threats. It highlighted the need for preparedness and swift action. By investing in public health infrastructure and developing new vaccines and treatments, we can improve our resilience to future pandemics. Research and innovation are our best defenses, but the threat will always be there, a constant reminder of our shared vulnerability. We must remain vigilant, united, and proactive in our efforts to protect humanity from the next inevitable outbreak. Number 1. Solar flare. Our sun, the lifeblood of our solar system, is a source of both life and potential destruction. It is a massive ball of nuclear reactions constantly emitting energy. While it bathes our planet in the warmth and light necessary for life, it also unleashes colossal bursts of energy known as solar flares. These flares are sudden and intense. Imagine a massive solar flare erupting from the sun's surface, unleashing a torrent of charged particles that race towards Earth at incredible speeds. These particles travel millions of miles in mere minutes. These particles slam into our planet's magnetic field, triggering a geomagnetic storm of unprecedented intensity. The interaction can create stunning auroras, but also severe disruptions. Power grids overload and fail, plunging cities into darkness. The sudden loss of electricity can halt daily life and cause widespread panic. Satellites tumble from the sky, crippling communication networks. This can affect everything from GPS navigation to international communications. While solar flares may not directly obliterate our planet, the disruption they could cause to our technological infrastructure has the potential to cripple modern civilization. The chaos from such an event would be unprecedented. While we can't prevent solar flares, we can take steps to mitigate their effects, such as hardening our power grids and developing backup communication systems. Preparation is key to minimizing the impact of these cosmic events. The fragile miracle of life. These are just a few of the potential threats that could destroy our planet. From the depths of space to the heart of our own planet, forces of unimaginable power are constantly at play. By understanding the risks, investing in scientific research, and embracing global cooperation, we can increase our chances of survival. Let us cherish this miracle, protect our pale blue dot, and strive to ensure that life on Earth endures. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.